Hey everyone, it's Kim from Hungerford. Today we're talking about your website and why regular updates really matter. You've built your website to represent your business, but if it's not being regularly maintained, it can actually drive customers away. Broken links, outdated info, slow load times, all of those things can hurt your credibility and your bottom line. Think of it like a garden. If you stop taking care of it, things will go downhill fast. Here are 5 key reasons to stay on top of your website updates. 1, it helps your SEO so people can find you online. 2, it improves user experience and builds trust. 3, it keeps your site running fast and smooth. 4, it strengthens your security. And 5, it keeps your content relevant and engaging. If your site could use a refresh or a full audit, we're here to help. Head to hungerford.tech to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter for weekly tips.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.